Okay, this is the latest view inside my apartment or unit, whatever you call it, to where I live. Now, as you can see, they're all messed up. Everything is everywhere. You see, my bookshelves empty, it's all gone because they are in the box. Some of them already been taken to different place and being donated to some other people, and some other books of course I have to keep, some documents and books and this and that I have to keep it for future. When I come back to Australia I'll use it again. And now I have to make a decision about all these drawers, things, coffee table or dinner table, thing like this, and carpets. See, I have a two Turkish carpet, one bigger than this one. I have two backpack that I'm not going to use it. I don't know what to do because I have a third one inside this small luggage. TV being sold. There's no TV anymore here. It's gone. And what else? This fridge. Someone already going to told me they're going to come and pick it up for disabled person who moving in and need a fridge and washing machine, some of the kitchenwares like whatever here around here. So I don't want to show this all messed area, but what I'm trying to say, the moving out, moving to another country, just leaving what you have will create all this mess regardless of how tidy you are. I have a small single bed over there with the other parts here with the mattress I'm not using, and that was my queen size bed. I have a one drawer on that here stay there, the other drawer. They're all part of this bed anyway. So I'm going to donate them to the Salvation Army because I cannot sell. And this washing machine also go to someone as a donation. So shortly, I sold a couple of things. That's true, but main thing being donated, and whatever left will be rubbish. I will call to cancel to come and pick up, and up to them what they want to, how they want to use. Of course, I will take some of plates, like I have plenty, and some, I don't know, kitchenware, and I will try to take my air fryer with me if I can. Some other, important thing or necessary thing that I can use, and I can take with me and I can use in the Bali when I go there. But I'm not sure how much and what I can take with me. See, I will try just give you a glimpse of what it's looked like to moving from one place to other and just leaving things behind and get rid of a lot of your stuff. And of course, where I go, I have to buy some new stuff for the whatever if I need that. I know already some of them, but let's see when I go there. Okay, that was just a small side information for my moving to Bali, and also giving some idea to my followers to say, okay, what stage I'm passing through to do that. If anyone want to move, of course, their situation will be different than me, but more or less moving somewhere for a long time, like in my case is 1 year, maybe plus, because I can extend my visa end of every year for 1 more year. So just to try to give some short idea how would it be look like. Thank you very much. I hope you will be follow you will support me to grow up with the subscribers and make my channel more visible on YouTube. And that's it. I will make some other short video maybe before I moved about Melbourne or around here. Think, yeah, and car also another problem. I don't know what to do. Probably I will leave it here for future. When I come back, I can use it. Go around, even for visit if I come to visit. Yeah. I'm not going to sell the car anyway. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave comment and hit the like button. It will help my channel to be more visible in the YouTube. Thank you very much. See you. Bye.